Okay, my friends, I welcome you back for this another video, and let me hope you enjoyed the previous one. If this is your first time to come here, I urge you to go back to the previous video and look at what we covered about variables, data types and operators. In the previous video I explained in detail, meaning in this one I'm going to be very quick, so follow along. So in this project we are going to create a tip calculator. In this tip calculator project we shall be required to enter the bill amount in this text box, and then we calculate the tip amount and be displayed in this text box. So I've already created my project called tip calculator and my form is set. When I double click on calculate button, I have already copied this code and added it, and I have already changed this. So you have to make sure that the name property here, txt bill amount, matches this one. So you click on that. By default, when you create your project and create the first text box, you will have text box 1 here. So you change it and you put this one, and so it is the same thing with this text box. So you make sure that the same name here, tip amount, you copy it and use it here for the tip amount. If you do that, then the wiggly lines here and here will have to go away. Just a simple explanation of this. These are variables, of course, bill amount, tip percentage and tip amount. This time we are using a double data type. This kind of data type can take on numbers that have decimal points. And here we are using a double dot parse, meaning that we want the user to pass in data in the form of a double type or a double data type. So data with decimal points. Bill amount maybe, for example, 500.5, maybe if they are dollars. And we are using this text box, txt amount, here. And we are interested in the text property, so that means any text or any value we enter in this text box is going to be captured. And if it is a double value, we have no problem, it will be saved in bill amount. If it is not a double, then we shall get an error. So that's the use of the parse method. Then tip percentage, so this is the 15%, 15 out of 100, which is 0.15, and the tip amount is calculated from the bill amount that you enter times the percentage. So if you enter 500 times 0.15, whatever you get is going to be stored in tip amount. Then we display this tip amount, which is saved in this variable, using the tip amount text box. So using this text box, whose name is txt tip amount. Then we are saying to string. I talked about that. We convert this value, which is a double, to be a string, so that we have no challenges with displaying it using a text box. And we have that C. I want you to find out what the C does, but if you are keen, when we run the program you will see what C does. So let's run and you see. Okay, so this is our form. We enter the bill amount. Let me use 500 and then calculate. Okay, I don't know if you are keen. I think you see what C does. C puts the currency Ugandan shilling. So you have 75 as the tip amount. I think this is good. There are several other letters that we use to represent currencies. You can make research about them, but Ugandan shilling, we can use that C. Again, you could make your project look better. Instead of form 1, I like nice things. You can change it to, okay, where's my, Okay, I closed my properties window, but that's not something to worry about. Oh, sorry, it is still running here, so I have to first close it so that the properties window comes and other windows. Okay, I was talking about form 1. I don't like things like this. We can call it the tip calculator and press enter. Okay, I think for today, for this project, that's enough. And thank you for watching. Share the video to your friends, to any person who likes VB.NET, and don't forget to subscribe. Nice time.